tutorial is about watercolor background techniques which you can try out in your own painting to make your painting more attractive. So in my first technique, I will put some water drops on the watercolor gradient to make a beautiful pattern. The second one is salt technique, which I have also taught you before. Let's move on to the third one where I am doing the same thing, but here I am using a less amount of salt. Now next is blotting technique, and in this one I am just soaking up some watercolor by using this sponge. The next technique you can create using splatter and drips. So here I am splattering red over yellow. So in the last and final technique, I am using alcohol, and you can also use your hand sanitizer to make this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, feel free to give a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you want to find me on other social media, you can also click the link in the description box below. So we will see you again. Take care. Bye bye.